Student, this is Uttam De from JNB Hailakandi. We know about not-for-profit organizations. These are club, school, hospital, and so on. Their accounting system also different because their motive is motive is different. The motive is to provide service, not to earn profit. So but they are also preparing financial statement. In financial statement, some peculiar items are there relating to current year subscription, current year donation, so and so many items are there. So today we will learn or know about the material used or material consumed during the year, because club or hospitals they are using some material, suppose stationery items, medicines, sports materials they are using during a year. But in current year used or consumption is to be calculated, current year's revenue nature expenditure. So suppose stationery, suppose sports material, suppose medicines. So how much consumed in current year, and that is to be find out. It is nature is revenue nature, but generally practically it's not happen entire is used. No, some portion may remain. It will use in the future year. So in this way we will know how to calculate the current year material consumption. Clear? So let us take one problem from your textbook. This textbook is accountancy NCERT textbook of class 12. You see page number 29, illustration 10. There are questions relating to stationery. Clear? So I have also written in the board whiteboard. See illustration 10, page number 29 of textbook. From the following extract of receipts payment account, we know receipts and payment account where cash received, cash paid. So cash payment made in current year 23,000 for stationery. इस साल हम लोग ने स्टेशनरी में कितना रुपया दिया? 23,000 रुपया पेमेंट किया. पेमेंट टोटल पेमेंट फॉर स्टेशनरी 23,000. लेकिन करंट ईयर का कितना है? इट इज नॉट मेंशन. वी विल कैलकुलेट करंट ईयर स्टेशनरी. How much amount relating to current year? Additional information also given, extra information. Stock of stationery, opening, that is last year closing balance, that is current year opening date. This is current year closing date. मतलब जो stationery use नहीं हुआ, the stationery portion what is not used, और ये last year use नहीं हुआ, that is stock of stationery. Another information, creditors. Creditor for stationery means, creditor means supplier. जो सामान हमने को स्टेशनरी उधार लिया उसको पैसा वापस देना है, तो क्रेडिटर्स को कितना देना है? लास्ट ईयर नहीं दिया था 9,000, इस बार कितना नहीं दिया? 2,500. सो ये सब एडजस्ट करने का बाद वी विल गेट द करंट ईयर कंजम्पशन ऑफ स्टेशनरी. लेट्स स्टार्ट हाउ टू सॉल्व. फर्स्ट it's item, you think whether it is revenue nature or capital nature. It's a revenue nature. So current year revenue nature expenses, current year revenue nature incomes are recorded or transferred to income and expenditure account. This is income and expenditure account. So this stationery is current year expenses. So consumption of current year of relating to stationery, we have to calculate. To stationery, you see, to stationery used, we will write used or consumed throughout during the year. How much used in current year? That is revenue natures. We will calculate. Now payment total made 23,000. Payment made or paid total 23,000 in current year. Clear? So how much amount relating to current year, it is not mentioned. We will calculate. Now we see the question. Last year stock, that is current year opening stock means last year stock stationery not used, so last year का खर्चा नहीं है, it will use in current year. Are you getting? So last year जब यूज नहीं हुआ तो लास्ट ईयर वो बैलेंस शीट के एसेट साइड में था, मींस ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट में हम लोग दिखा सकते हैं 4000 रुपया एसेट के रूप में, क्योंकि ये इस पर बेनिफिट देगा. तो लास्ट ईयर बैलेंस शीट, वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग लास्ट ईयर बैलेंस शीट. सी लास्ट ईयर बैलेंस शीट इज नथिंग बट ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट. सो स्टॉक ऑफ स्टेशनरी लास्ट ईयर 4000 नॉट यूज्ड, लास्ट ईयर नॉट यूज्ड. ये स्टेशनरी अमाउंट लास्ट ईयर यूज नहीं हुआ, इसका मतलब क्या, लास्ट ईयर बैलेंस शीट के एसेट साइड में था, अभी ये यूज होगा करंट ईयर. इन करंट ईयर इट विल यूज्ड, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी विल शो इनटू द पेमेंट दैट इज इनकम एंड एक्सपेंसेस साइड ऑफ करंट ईयर. वी विल शो इट विल बी यूज्ड इन करंट ईयर. ओपनिंग स्टॉक अमाउंट इज 4000. ओके, दो जगह चला गया एक इंफॉर्मेशन. एवरी एडजस्टमेंट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड इन बोथ टू साइड्स, टू प्लेसेस. Sorry, not two sides, two places. So these 4000 we have recorded, this 4000 we have recorded, this 4000. That is opening stock, nothing but it will be used in current year, that's why we have added. It was not used in last year, that's why it was shown in the opening balance sheet as an asset. Clear? There is stock of stationery 4000. Now my dear, come to the point. Current year stock, that is closing date 31st March 2000. करंट ईयर में इतना जो 3000 का जो स्टॉक है ये यूज नहीं हुआ, दैट विल यूज्ड इन फ्यूचर ईयर. सो ये तो यूज नहीं हुआ, लेकिन हम लोग ने इसके लिए पैसा दे दिया होगा, तो ये हम लोग का इस बार का यूज नहीं है, तो इस बार का खर्चा नहीं है. इट विल बी डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम करंट ईयर, दैट इज क्लोजिंग स्टॉक विल बी डिडक्टेड. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक हाउ मच अमाउंट, दिस 3000. समझ में आ रहा है? सो 3000 इट इज फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर, इट इज नॉट करंट ईयर एक्सपेंस, इट विल बी डिडक्टेड. हाउ मच अमाउंट, 3000, बट इट विल गिव बेनिफिट इन फ्यूचर ईयर, सो इट विल शो इन टू द एसेट साइड. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ स्टेशनरी, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ स्टेशनरी कितने अमाउंट, 3000. This is the current year balance sheet asset side. It will show into the current year balance sheet asset side because it will give benefit in future. So it's a current assets. Stock. Are you getting? दो जगह लिख दिया. It is recorded in two places adjustment. Or closing stock is deducted because it is not current year expenses. That's why we have deducted. Now come to the point very important. Creditors of for stationery. उधर में भी सामान लिया था हम लोगों ने, तो उसको पैसा नहीं दिया, लास्ट ईयर नहीं दिया, इसीलिए ये 9000 ओपनिंग बैलेंस दिखा रहा है. क्रेडिटर का अकाउंट, सप्लायर जिससे हम स्टेशनरी उधार में ले आया, उसको पैसा नहीं दिया. कितना नहीं दिया लास्ट ईयर, 9000. तो नहीं दिया लास्ट ईयर, मतलब लास्ट ईयर बैलेंस शीट में, लाइबिलिटी शीट में था, देना होगा. सो इट वाज शोन एज अ लाइबिलिटी इन लास्ट ईयर. सो वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट, नथिंग बट लास्ट ईयर बैलेंस शीट. सो आउटस्टैंडिंग, सॉरी, you can write creditor for stationery. How much amount, 9000. This it was not paid in last year, that's why it is shown as a liability in last year, but it will be definitely it will be paid in current year. So we payment made 23,000. So within this 20,000, 9,000 involved, it is not relating to current year, so we should deduct it. Opening creditor, you can say opening creditor or last year creditors. Amount यहाँ कितना है, 24,000 ना, am I right? Yes, minus. Then now opening creditor कितना, 9,000. We should deduct. So amount will be 15,000. So this 9,000 recorded in two places, opening balance sheet and current year. To find out the current year stationery used, we are deducting because it is related to previous year. Clear? Payment made in current year related to previous year. That's why you have deducted. Clear? Now come to the current year closing creditors. Means current year का स्टेशनरी हमने खरीदा तो यूज तो करंट ईयर हुआ, लेकिन इसका पैसा हमने नहीं दिया, पैसा कब देंगे? नेक्स्ट ईयर. सो करंट ईयर का लाइबिलिटी, दिस इज करंट ईयर लाइबिलिटी, पेमेंट टू बी मेड इन फ्यूचर, सो इट विल बी शोन इन टू द बैलेंस शीट लाइबिलिटी साइड. क्रेडिटर फॉर स्टेशनरी, कितना अमाउंट? हाउ मच? 2500. And but the amount used in current year, payment not made, that this amount used in current year, so you should add it in current year. Closing creditor, सामान खरीदा गया ना तो उसको यूज किया हम लोग ने. कितना अमाउंट? 2500. That is 17,500 is current year consumption of stationery. Are you getting? This amount will be paid in next year, but it is used in current year. That's why we have added it in this expenses side to find out the stationery used in current year. So 17,500 amount used relating to stationery, that is material consumed of stationery during a year. So this is the current year revenue nature expenses. So please go through. There are many problems in your textbook. You do at your level. If any doubt you ask, feel free to ask me. My contact number is 9435079465.